Hope you had an amazing week. Today I am going to cook a traditional Garo chicken recipe from my home state Meghalaya. Kapa. That's chicken khar with green chilies. In this recipe, traditionally we use chicken gizzards, liver, wings and other bony parts. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Chicken, salt, sliced green chilies, use as many as you want, roughly pounded ginger and khar. Now let's start cooking. Heat a pan on a medium flame. Then add the chicken pieces, green chilies, ginger, khar and salt. Stir it well and cover and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. Now cook it until the water from the meat has completely dried. Stir in between so that it does not get stuck at the bottom of your pan. This should take about 5 minutes. Finally, add 1 cup of water and stir it well. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes until the gravy achieves the consistency of your choice. I prefer mine slightly dry and it looks ready now. Can't wait to try it. Here is the dish. Our Kapa is looking like an absolute treat and I am finding it very hard to resist. The meat is perfectly cooked and it's definitely hot. Also, don't go by the simplicity of this dish as it's totally lip smacking and I'm sure you'll love it too. The perfect Kapa. And if you are still watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Until then, see you next week.